Thanks for tuning in, guys. For this haircut, we have a transformation. He hasn't had a haircut since April, and he wanted to buzz it all off. So here we're gonna take the number 5 guard and go against the grain. And against the grain means the opposite direction that the hair naturally grows. For straight hair, when you're cutting it low, you have to go against the grain, otherwise it won't cut even if you try to go with the grain. And the video is sped up, but I'm taking my time going through the hair because I don't want the clipper to snag or pull the hair. Especially being careful around the crown area. How I like to start my tapers, I like to get the bulk of the hair out of the way. So here I'm taking the number 3 guard, going up to the parietal ridge. I also blend a little bit behind the ear so you get that gradual blend. And then here I'm gonna make my bald guideline with the trimmer. So now I take the clipper with the lever fully open and I make my first guideline. And all I'm gonna do is close the lever and gradually open it until I get to the top of that guideline. So here the lever is fully closed and I'm only using the corner of the blade. And then now I begin to gradually open the blade. When doing a taper, there's really no need to try to use the entire blade since you're blending in such a small space. Next, I have on the 1 guard with the lever fully open, making another guideline. So all I'm doing, I'm making a guideline and then blending it out. So now the lever is closed and I'm starting at the bottom. So the steps with this guard, lever open, lever closed, and now the lever is about halfway. And then you can just adjust it as needed to get rid of dark spots. So now I'm coming under that with the half guard with the lever halfway open, under that 1 guard. So now I'm back with the 2 guard going right up under that number 3 guard that we initially debulked with. Tapers are all about the graduation of the hair length, so you want to go from short to light to medium to dark. You want to see that transition. So now I go back under that number 2 guard with the 1.5 just to get those few dark spots that I saw. And then finally, I'm going to take the number 4 guard because we did a number 5 on top, we debulked with the number 3, and now the 4 is right there to blend those 2 spaces. And now we're just gonna repeat the same exact thing on the other side. I didn't wanna bore you guys with these steps, so I'm gonna speed through this, but as you can see, it's the same steps that I just did on the left side. By the way, if you're new to this channel and you're getting value out of this video, I ask that you please subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and expose the channel to other viewers like you guys, so I would really appreciate that. We're on the road to 300,000 subscribers and we're very close. And then once again, we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Lever open, and then we're gonna close it and gradually work our way up. And me, I like to detail as I go, so I'm just going back and hitting dark spots. Now the 1 guard with the lever fully open, and the steps with this guard, lever open, lever closed, and then lever halfway. Then we come up under that with the half guard halfway open, and then we close it. Now I'm here with the 1.5 guard. Going back and touching up. So here's the number 2 guard. And then we're here with the number 4. So as far as the lineup footage goes, I thought my camera was recording when I was doing the sides, but it wasn't, so sorry about that. But here I'm just starting in the middle and picking a side to go to. So work your way either right or left. And I don't want to push his line back. He wants more of a natural look, so I'm just going to take off as least hair as I can and still get a naturally straight edge up. And here is the finished result. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Also comment below what other haircut tutorials you guys want to see. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all on the next video.